So in order to fully understand what this is trying to accomplish is that we have a template strand, okay, and that's just 3' to 5' here, and there's our template strand, and there's the nucleotides within that, but those are unknown. We have no idea what they are. So what we're going to do is a reaction where we're going to add the nucleotides, and that way we can now figure out what the template strand is. So we have in red our template strand, and that is our unknown. And that is what we want to find out. What is the sequence of that unknown? And the way we're going to figure that out is by generating a complementary strand. Complementary. So once we know the complementary strand, we can then use that to figure out what the template strand is. So all this data right there is the nucleotide sequence of the complementary strand. So what we're going to do is look at the nucleotides, or let's say nucleic acids, which one is at the very bottom. And that's at the very bottom because that's going to be the smallest fragment, and that's going to be the largest fragment. And so what we have, if we go from the smallest fragment, we see we have a T, another T. So we got that one. Now we have an A, a G, a C, and another A. So that's the sequence of the complementary strand. So then from that, we can now figure out what our template strand is. So A has to pair with T. Well, let's get rid of that right there. A has to pair with T, G, C, T, A. And so that template strand is written in 3' to 5' direction. But when I ask what is the template strand, you would say the sequence of that template strand is T, G, C, T, A. And that's written in rearranged in the 5' to the 5' direction. So I would highly recommend go to, page 302 through maybe 304, I think, of your textbook to read up on how to use this method to figuring out your unknown DNA sequence.